let's talk about the detail view. Okay, in the detail view I have here like detail view. Only this part is needed for us. I want to comment out this. Let's have the article detail. Okay, detail view will be here. Let's have another method. I want to have another method like get object. Okay, it takes all objects, get object self. So I have here something like I want to take the slug as well. So how can we take the slug? The slug will be like self dot. I have talked about one concept like keyword arguments, and in Python I have talked about keyword arguments. Well, you have to go through that lecture and you will understand. I'll get the slug using the keyword arguments, and I get the slug, and the return will be, well, this part. Okay, I've gotten the slug, I've gotten everything here, so nothing left. Okay, done. It's clean and nice. Why it throws an error? Slug will be like it works fine. Okay, I have here the article detail, and the same thing will be here, the article detail dot as view. Okay, everything is fine now. It works very nice. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, I have refreshed and I see the third article. It still throws an error because we have not mentioned, or we have not focused on this. Let's change the detail. Well, the detail will be the same thing. Okay, when I refresh, yeah, everything looks fine. Here is one thing I have wondered about, how it works, because, well, and the article list, not article list, article detail. Here I have seen here the article title. It should not show this article title. You know why? Because it has something like object. So, but it still shows that. Well, it's fine. It shows, you know why? Because, well, due to this, okay, it takes all the articles, objects, and published, so it shows from there. Let's change this into, well, the actual thing which should be like article. Instead of this articles, wherever we have, we should have the object. Okay, when I refresh, it still works. Okay, there are two things. Number one, we had this, well, view. See how clean it is and how less line of code we have here. Okay, number one, we have this view, and we had the URL and the article detail. Along with that, wherever we have seen the article, we have added the object. Okay, instead of that article, we have to use this object, because in list view we had this well, where it was, this object list. Okay, so in the next video we will talk about this category, and we will change or convert this category function based view into class based view, and we'll talk about this in the next video.